David Myers, and I'm going to be talking to you about a couple of different tools that we use in the classroom in order to help teachers better manage. So the first one that we're going to be talking about is a DTO. Now what this is this is an app that can go on your phone, and the good thing about it is you can now record all student information as far as grades, as far as assignments, right there on your phone. So there's different options that we can actually go into in order to provide different bits of information. So you've got the attendance that can now be right there on your phone. And sometimes the problem that you run into as a teacher is you take the attendance on paper and then you have to go back into the classroom in order to actually put it down on the computer. So great thing about having this all online is now you've got something that you don't have to worry about, and you don't have to continuously spend extra time doing. The next one that we're going to be talking about is Docere. Now Docere is a iPad program that you can do basically anything, and you can do a lot of screen capture on your iPad, and you can do this as far as note taking. It's great for math. So as far as a math teacher, you can now actually go ahead and do the problems and show the problems, and they can see the problems as you're kind of working them out. So if you've got a student that is now out for a particular reason, students can now share homework assignments and share notes with each other just by sending out a quick email. The next one that we're going to talk about is Kahoot. This is Kahoot Quiz. Now, this is something that is going to benefit the students. It's going to benefit the teachers. Now, I like offering quizzes like this in the classroom because quizzes like this during the lecture will now actually be able to provide you with positive feedback and immediate feedback. So if you're going through the process of doing a lecture and you pop up a couple of quizzes and everybody blurts out the answer, well, you don't know who understands it and who doesn't understand it. Now, the good thing about having quizzes like this is they log in and they can go ahead and answer the question. Now, this can still be anonymous, but they can go ahead and answer the question. Now, if they answer incorrectly, you know, if one or two students miss it, you can kind of go through it and pick up the information. But if everybody misses it, then you as a teacher can now go back and look at your lesson plan and kind of beef up your lesson plan because you knew that, hey, this is a test question and everybody missed this test question, so let's try to figure out why and let's put a little bit more information in the lesson plan. So as far as this one goes, this can be real basic, as in, you know, what is a flap, and then some of the answers may be, you know, it's part of the wing, and you could also say it's part of the tail section, or it's part of the fuselage. So real basic questions like that, and we're going to check that one as being the right answer, and then you can go ahead and submit that and go into next question. But like I say, the great thing about this is you can get the positive feedback you need in order to determine whether or not you have a solid lesson plan. So we went through 3 of them. We've got Adito, which gives you a lot of information that is right there at your fingertips. We've got Docere, which is a iPad Touch. Once again, you can project that onto the screen, or you can do just note taking, and students can actually do that. And then you've got Kahoot, which is now going to be your question format.